Assalamualaikum all the queens out there. Hope you are doing great. I am Jannatul Firdaus from Makeup101byJF. Basically, I am a self-taught makeup enthusiast. Please subscribe my channel and you can follow me on my other social media platform. All are Makeup101byJF. So today I have created this look for New Year celebration party. This look is simple yet classy. So let's see how I did this look on me. First, I will use Mario Badescu facial spray to hydrate my skin. To moisturize my skin, I will use Bioco avocado serum. I am using Maybelline Baby Skin Primer today. I'll be back after doing my eyebrow off camera. I will prime my eyes with this Wet n Wild concealer. I'm using a flat concealer brush to blend it out properly on my lid. Today I'll be using this beautiful the Masquerade palette from Juvia's. First, I will use this color on my crease. I'm using a tapered blending brush. I'm using this color on my crease from outer side to inner side and slowly blending it up to remove the harsh line. To make my crease more visible, I'm using this dark color on my crease. I'm slowly building this color from outer side to inner side, blending this color only on my crease. Now I will take a clear blending brush to blend these two colors evenly. Now I will cut my crease with the help of a concealer. Now I will use this shimmery color on my lid. Again I will use this color to blend out the sides. To give my lid a more shine, I will use this liquid liner in shade 03 onto my lid. Using a small brush, I am blending it all over my lid. Again, I am using this color liquid liner on my crease line. This liquid liner is from Flare and the shade is 04. Now I will curl my lashes. I'll put on some little mascara on my lashes so it can hold my false lashes properly. For my base makeup, I'll use this Elegant Pro concealer to center of my face. To blend this, I'm using a foundation brush. So I evenly blend it out all my center area. For foundation, I'm using today this Juvia's Place foundation. My shade is 430 Punta Cana. It's the full coverage foundation. I only be using this foundation at first on those areas where I didn't put any concealer. Then with the leftover, blend it on concealer. Now I will set my full face with this compact powder. This compact powder is from J-Cat. My shade is 107. I'm using a big fluffy brush to set my full face. For contouring and highlighting, I'll be using this Purrier palette. This is a powder palette. For contouring, I'm using this shade, and for highlighting, I'm using this banana shade. Now I'll contour my nose with a blending brush. Now I will highlight my under eye area with this banana powder. For blush, I am using this Bella blush by Juvia's. To finish my eye look, I am mixing these two colors. I'll put some mascara on my lower lash. To fix this base, I am using Mario Badescu facial spray. For lipstick, I am confused today actually what I want to use. I have two options. I can use Milani Love or I can use Fenty Gloss Bomb lip gloss. I guess I am using both. For highlighter, I am using e.l.f. EXO Nabila Noor Loose Glitter. Shade name is Niharika. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section how is it and give a thumbs up to this video to support me. See you in my next video. Tata!